Hey guys, Doward here. Doing a little checkup here on how my Speck case has been doing on my MacBook Pro 17 inch. I'm going to give you guys a little close-up view of what's been going on. You can see the case ended up with quite a few scratches on it. I've had this on here now. I'll have to check exactly how long. I think it's been about 6 weeks. I'm not the most careful person with electronics, but I'm also not the hardest person. I mean, this has been stored in a laptop backpack, so I'm a little surprised that the soft touch coating has lasted so poorly. What I'm going to do next is pull the case off and clean out everything on the aluminum with my Moshi Tear Glove. So I'm going to start off on top of it. Just going to go around and carefully pry the clips out. Yeah, there we go. Once we get one side of it off, we can very easily take it off. You can see I've got some dirt and whatnot in there. Definitely want to clean it all down. Now I'm going to take the bottom section off. Should be a little bit easier. Same thing there, got some dirt and hair. Definitely want to do some cleaning on it. Alright, so now that I've taken the case back off, I'm going to go ahead and shut my MacBook down. There we go. Okay. Components. Take the Moshi Tear Glove. Comes with, there's no chemicals or anything, it's just water. It just spritz a little bit of high quality water on here. And then you wipe it all clean. Outside of the case down, just get the loose stuff off. See, I do have a few scratches and whatnot around here. Clean the top side. So I definitely have to say I wish that the soft touch coating was a little bit more durable than it actually is. Hopefully you can see. This is very, very soft. It'd be very easy to scratch even with just a fingernail. Alright, let's clean down the MacBook. that's disappointing. It's a large scratch here on the bottom. It was certainly not there previously before I put the case on. Hopefully you can make out the scratch right here. That was certainly not there beforehand. Thankfully, that scratch is on the bottom plate here, so I can, swap out the bottom plate if that really gets under my skin. I'm just very disappointed to see that, I bought this to protect the MacBook, and it so far does not seem to be doing that very well. All right, now we've got the outside clean. We'll pop this all back on. Goes on very easily. Very, very easy to install. I'm just very disappointed with the quality of its durability. I really kind of expected something to last, expected this to last a little better than it has. Clean down the inside. Clean the screen. And then what I like to do on the screen is I will turn the glove, the Moshi glove, inside out to expose the super, super soft inside. Make sure I whip all the dust away. Alright, and there we go. So overall, my impression of the Speck case is it's a very nice looking case. It looks great, in my opinion. I absolutely love the way it looks. I don't think it's very durable at all. I think that this is, even being very gentle with it, you are going to eventually scratch this and make the case kind of look like crap after a while. I'm disappointed by that. Would I have bought it again? Probably not. To be honest, I probably wouldn't have. But it's what I've got, so I will rock it for now. And yeah, I will start looking around to see if I can find a little better case, a little more durable case. So there you go.